Hey guys, it's Albert in Muffin Group. In this tutorial, I would like to take a closer look at latest 27.5 update. According to your request, we have finally released Builder for WooCommerce Cart, Checkout and Thank You pages. From now on, you can change the arrangement of elements on these pages, add new elements and also style them, exactly as you like. Okay, so let's not waste any more time on this introduction and let's jump to my screen. As you may have noticed, we are in the Templates tab. This is where you can create and edit all three types of WooCommerce pages: Cart, Checkout and Thank You page. Managing the appearance of these pages is done in a similar way as with other templates. As these pages are WooCommerce related pages, you will find them under WooCommerce dropdown. To create new template, all you have to do is click Add New button and from the dropdown list, choose the one you want to create and name it. That's it. Now you can add elements to your template, mix, match and style. However, I already have template created for each of those pages, so I will show you how things works on already created templates. Let's select Cart from the drop-down list and edit with the BeBuilder. For this template, I have added two sections. And first, I have wrap with dynamically set title for heading. And second section, I have put much more elements. First, a section with global wrap where I put order steps element. You may wonder why I made this as a global wrap. The answer is very simple. I would need it for all three templates: Cart, Checkout and Thank You page. To avoid spending time to add it for each template, styling, etc., I set it up as a global wrap. This element has three options, named by default: Cart, Checkout and Order. Of course, you can change its names as you like. You can also switch to Style tab and style them according to your needs. There's plenty of options for items, number, label and separator. Just like for any other element, you have plenty of options under Advanced tab as well. Let's get back to our cart template to check what other elements I set for this template. So, in next step, I set two wraps next to each other, where left is 2/3 and right 1/3. In the left I put cart table, but on the right cart totals. Each element can be customized in terms of label, styling, etc. If you would like to know what special elements are available for each template, all you have to do is click on the plus icon to add new element. As soon as you click it, you will see special elements for this template marked with Woo label in the right top corner. Here you have elements like cart table, cart totals, cross sells and order steps. Let's move to the next row, where I set two nested wraps. For the left one, I put icon box with some text and styling options, but for the right, it's just empty wrap with background. Below this row, I put full width wrap with cross cells elements. As you can see in the sidebar on the left, this element have plenty options like heading, number of columns, elements order, etc. For the cart template, there's another option that might be useful as well. Apart from setting up template for the cart with products being added, you can also create own template for the cart when it's empty. For that, you must click on empty button located at the top navigation bar and developer mode. I'm just working right now. Now you can see how cart would look like when it's empty. In my case, it's global wrap with order steps element and another one underneath with three elements: image, heading and button. Nothing special in my case, but you can add anything you basically like to build your own cart in both states, empty and not empty. The last step to apply cart template is to click Update button. When you do this, pop-up will appear that would ask you if you want to apply currently built template as default view. To apply, all I have to do is click on Save and Set as Default View button. From now on, instead of the default cart, custom template will be displayed. I think that's all about the cart template. If I missed something, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section and I will answer all your questions as well. Let's get back to WooCommerce templates and switch to checkout. Let's edit now with the BeBuilder, same we did it with the cart. At first glance, you can see on the left that this template have only two special elements available with Woo badge, checkout and order steps. At first position for checkout template, I put global wrap with order steps, same as for the cart template. For second section, there are two full width wraps. And first, we have two elements, icon box and plain text. For second, I put checkout. This element have just one setting, your order position. By default, it's on the right, but if you like, you can switch to bottom. This element have plenty styling options where you can style form itself, billing details, summary, shipping button, and even coupon code. If it's not enough, you always have advanced options at hand. To apply this template for default checkout view, just like for the cart, you have to click Update button and confirmation pop-up will ask if you're sure to override default checkout view with custom template. Let's save it then and go back to the list of templates again. Now, let's select Thank You from the list and edit it with the BeBuilder. This type of template have three special elements: order review, order details, and order steps. For this template, I use global wrap with order steps just like in case of previous two templates. But for the second wrap, I put order review. Underneath is nested wrap with plain text on the left and icon box on the right. I just decided to give it a nice touch by adding discount code for the next purchase. It always has positive impact on buyers. For the next wrap, I put order details element that also can be styled as you like in terms of colors, typography, spacing, etc. To apply template as default view, let's click Update button just like in case of previous templates and save. From now on, cart, checkout, and thank you pages will display custom templates we just created. That's it for this tutorial. Hope you like this video and from now on, you would be using cart, checkout, and thank you page builder in your projects. If you like this video, I encourage you to watch another video where I show how to customize WooCommerce single product layout. And as always, thanks for watching and remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified every time we release a new video. And if you have more questions, please visit our support center at support.muffingroup.com.